Bonjour! Son, Mom asked me to talk to you about the birds and the bees.
Okay.
Birds have nests in trees, and some birds sleep in the winter. But anyway, and bees are cool because they get nectar. Yeah.
What is the stinger?
Technically, it's the bum.
It is?
Don't play with bees because you're gonna get stung and it's gonna be painful and you're gonna come crying to me. Anyway, so birds and bees are very good. Conversation is over.
What does this all mean? Why did Dad Mom want you to... Why?
I'm trying to teach you about where babies come from.
Wait, what? What does that have to do with the birds and bees?
I don't know. Just have any questions?
No.
All right.
Wait, I do have one question. Where do babies come from? Do they come from heaven?
That's something you'll have to ask your mom. If your mom asks, tell her I taught you about the birds and bees.
Okay, I'm glad it's over because I didn't understand one bit of it.